Listen and check your answers. 1.
Who was the internet invented by?
Tim Berners-Lee.
2.
What was the first computer called?
Analytical engine.
3.
Where was paper first made?
China.
4.
How many years ago was the wheel first used?
Over 5,000 years ago.
5.
Where was the first underground built?
London.
6.
What was invented by the Chinese in the 15th century?
The toothbrush.
7.
What was sent by Marconi across the Atlantic Ocean?
A radio message.
8.
When was the first satellite launched?
1957.
9.
What were the first words spoken in a film?
Wait a minute.
10.
Isaac Newton was hit on the head by what type of fruit?
An apple.